Hello everyone, we're going to change the battery for the remote control from Prius Prime. Alright, very simple. Sliding this latch, then you can take out the key, and the key is going to use to open your door. Put in the little key slot and you can open the door if this thing is out of juice. Alright, and we can crack the case open with this key, and there's a little slot here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there we go, that's the slot here. We put the key in there and do a twist. Okay, now the cover open. Make sure you're face down and you can see the battery. Okay, and you can take the parts off. You use something sharp, long and sharp, and go into here, or just use the pen and pry the battery out. Let's see, the battery model number is CR2032. I will put a link in the description, and we're going to put the new battery in. Oop, drop off. I'm going to use Energizer CR2032. Okay, slide the battery in like this, hold it here, and give it a push. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's put it back, and make sure you put them back and sit properly into the rubber silicone gasket, and align the back cover. Make sure it's aligned and do a little snap. Okay, that's it. Let's put the key back into the hole. Give it a quick try. Make sure the LED is on. All the button is working. Very good. Alright, thank you very much.